Plumbing myths busted. Brought to you by Catons Plumbing, Drains, and Water Cleanup. Myth number 1. Chemical drain cleaners are safe. Drain cleaners made from chemicals are highly corrosive. They can weaken or damage pipes, especially in older plumbing. They often don't fully remove the clog. They simply burn a hole through it, only to have the clog return later. Myth number 2. Flushable wipes are actually flushable. Flushable wipes do not break down like toilet paper. This slow breakdown causes them to build up in your pipes. In fact, clogs from flushable wipes are a leading cause of sewer backups. Myth number 3. Lemons can clean your garbage disposal. While lemons can help with odor, they do not remove buildup and grease, and lemon rinds should never be put in the disposal. Myth number 4. Small leaks don't hurt anything. Small leaks can cause big damage, like mold growth, wood rot, and structural damage. They should be fixed right away to avoid costly repairs down the road. The more you know about your plumbing, the fewer problems you'll have. But when problems do arise, trust the plumbing professionals at Catons. Catons Plumbing, Drains, and Water Cleanup. Your myth-busting plumbing pros. Call 410-267-6141 or visit callcatons.com.